Want to boost your credit score and unlock better financial opportunities fast? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 proven ways to increase your credit score quickly, and these simple steps can make a huge difference in just a few months. Stick around and let's get that score up. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on practical tips to help improve your finances. Today, we've got an extremely helpful topic, especially if you've been struggling to increase your credit score, because we're diving into 10 proven ways to boost that number quickly. Your credit score plays a big role in your financial life, whether it's getting approved for loans, lowering your interest rates, or simply having better financial freedom. So let's jump right into it. Check your credit report for errors. First things first, make sure your credit report is accurate. Sometimes, mistakes like incorrect late payments or duplicate accounts can lower your score unfairly. Head over to annualcreditreport.com and you can get a free report from the 3 major bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. If you find errors, dispute them immediately. Correcting mistakes could give your score a boost. 2. Pay your bills on time. This one's a no-brainer. On-time payments are the foundation of your credit score. Even if it's a small bill, paying it on time shows lenders you're responsible. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date again. 3. Pay down credit card balances. If your credit cards are carrying high balances, this could be dragging your score down. Credit utilization, which is the ratio of how much credit you're using compared to your credit limit, makes up about 30% of your score. Try to keep your utilization below 30%. For example, if your limit is $1,000, try not to carry a balance higher than $300. Paying down debt will help your score climb fast. 4. Ask for a credit limit increase. If you're managing your credit well, ask your credit card issuer for a credit limit increase. A higher limit means you can spread out your balance, lowering your utilization rate. Just be careful not to start spending more because of the higher limit. 5. Don't close old accounts. The length of your credit history makes up about 15% of your score. So keeping old accounts open even if you're not using them can help boost your score. Closing them could shorten your credit history and negatively affect your score. 6. Avoid opening new accounts. While it may be tempting to apply for new credit cards, remember that each inquiry can lower your score temporarily. Hard inquiries are usually visible on your credit report for the years. So try to avoid opening new credit accounts unless absolutely necessary. 7. Use a secured credit card. If you have a low credit score or a limited credit history, consider applying for a secured credit card with this. 8. Settle any collections accounts. Having accounts in collections can seriously hurt your score. If you have an old debt in collections, try to negotiate a payment or settlement. Sometimes you can even have the account removed from your credit report once it's settled. 9. Become an authorized user. Another quick way to improve your score is to become an authorized user on someone else's credit card, preferably one with a long, positive credit history. Their good payment habits can boost your credit without you having to do anything. Just make sure they pay their bills on time. 10. Get a credit builder loan. A credit builder loan is a small loan designed specifically to help you build your credit score. You borrow a small amount, but the money is held in an account until you pay off the loan. It's a great way to improve your score while building positive credit history. And that's it, 10 proven ways to quickly improve your credit score. Remember, there's no magic bullet to raise your score overnight, but with patience and these practical steps, you can definitely start seeing improvement. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all things personal finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.